Morning. Today's Achieve article is called Cooking Gets Crazy. Would you ever use a dishwasher for cooking? How might you cook certain foods? Veggies, a grilled cheese sandwich, rice? I would personally use pots and pans for all of these things, as I'm sure whoever cooks in your house would too. That's normal, right? Well, get ready for something out of the ordinary. In today's lesson, you will learn some crazy ways to cook these same foods. Let's take a look at the vocabulary. Boil is to become so hot that water turns into steam. I'm sure you've seen your parents boil water plenty of times to make macaroni and cheese or maybe some hard-boiled eggs. Drip is to let drops fall, like from a faucet. Foil is a very thin piece of metal used for covering food. A method is a way of doing something. So here, for example, I put two methods of washing dishes. You can either use a dishwasher or you can use your hands. A recipe is something that explains how to cook a food. So when you look at a recipe, it'll give you a list of ingredients, it'll give you all the supplies you'll need, and it'll give you step-by-step instructions. A lot of times they will have pictures too, so that's very helpful. Now it's time to read the article. Can you cook without a stove, oven, or microwave? You can. Try a coffee pot, iron, or dishwasher. Side note, these cooking methods should only be tried with help from an adult. Safety first. Coffee maker cooking. Coffee makers send boiling water through a basket. Hot water drips into a pot. Both parts can also cook food. You can cook veggies in the basket. Try cooking grains in the pot. Gooey goodness. An iron is flat and gets very hot. They can press shirts and sandwiches. Bread toasts. The middle heats up and mushes together. Try a grilled cheese. Wrap it in foil first, less mess. Then press away. Be careful, it gets hot. Dishwasher dining. A dishwasher uses hot water to clean dishes, but the heat can also cook. Just put rice or peas with water in a tightly sealed glass jar. Want to try something else? There are loads of recipes on the internet. Never ever do any of these without a parent present. Do not do these by yourself. Now we will answer two questions together. You will then complete the rest of the activity by yourself. Do not forget to answer the after reading poll and the thought question. Remember, you're going to go to reading. Your lesson will be right here. You'll complete the before reading poll, read the article once more, and complete the activity, which is something we will do together right now. Two questions. All right, so select the letter of the correct answer. So we've got the main idea, which is always held up by facts, by two supporting facts, okay? You see the facts are supporting the main idea. So a hot iron can press a sandwich. A coffee maker can cook veggies. These are two facts. It's telling us about two different unusual ways to cook something by using other household items. So think about the article. Which best fits in the empty box above? You can cook using many different methods. You can wrap a sandwich in foil for less mess. You can wash dishes with hot water, or you can press shirts with an iron. So let's start by going over A. You can cook using many different methods. If we put that as the main idea, let's think about that. A hot iron can press a sandwich. Okay, there is one method. A coffee maker can cook veggies. there's another method. Those are two different methods that it's talking about, okay? So it might be A. B, you can wrap a sandwich in foil for less mess. Okay? This supporting fact is talking about making a sandwich, but this one is talking about a coffee maker. So the main idea wouldn't make sense if you're just talking about making a sandwich when over here you're talking about making veggies. You can wash dishes with hot water. Well, that one we can just get rid of right away because we are not talking about how to wash dishes. You can press shirts with an iron. Well, that's true, but that's not what the article is about. The article is about cooking. Okay, so the answer is A. Because if the main idea is you can cook using many different methods, the facts have to support that. So the facts have to go with it. They have to make sense with it, okay? This is showing us two different methods of cooking. Anne wants to know more about cooking. She should look on a website with recipes, at a picture of a microwave, in a dictionary under food, or in a book about growing veggies. So if we think back to the video that I just showed y'all, the PowerPoint presentation, let's think about something that we saw there that might help Anne know more about cooking. Okay. Will a book about growing vegetables help her know more about cooking, or would that help her more about starting a garden? I would say starting a garden. In a dictionary under food, well, we all know that a dictionary just tells you the definition of something, so would that help her with cooking? Probably not, no. At a picture of a microwave, no, that one doesn't even make sense. You know, we always come across those that just looking at a picture of something is not going to help you. Or on a website with recipes. Remember, when you look at a recipe, it'll give you a list of the food that you need and the supplies that you need, and it'll give you step-by-step instructions of how to cook something. So I would think it would be on a website using recipes, with recipes. Okay, so I'm not going to complete this one, but remember which two words have almost the same meaning. So you're looking at two words that you could interchange, right? So I just want you to remember how we always used to go through everything and we would take turns answering questions and why is this right? Why is this incorrect? So remember that when it's the same meaning, it's not the opposite. You're looking for two words that mean the same thing. And I know I keep repeating that, but I just want you to be successful. So when you click on hint, it'll say only some of these words are used in the article. Okay, so we know that the words that we're looking for are ones that are used in the article. And then remember that anytime you need help remembering anything from the article, you just go to refer article and you can move it over this way. While you look, you can reread the article right here on the side. And remember that my article is going to look different from yours, or it might look the same. We don't know. It depends on your level. Okay, so you're going to answer all the questions, whether you have 4 or whether you have 8. Then you'll come up here, you'll complete the after reading poll, and then you'll answer the thought question. Okay, and then I will grade those and send them back to you.